Elmo in the background because Ariana is in the studio with me today. She is watching Elmo on the iPad, so you guys will hear Elmo every once in a while. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into the review of this wig, because first of all, this is a lot of hair. Like, look at all that hair, y'all. Let me put it behind my ears real quick, because I think I like it better behind my ears. So real quick, okay, so let's talk about this wig, okay? So today I decided to do something a little different with today's look. I decided to add some hair to this wig, just to do like a quick little top knot bun. First of all, this is a lot of hair. I used to be a girl that loved like long hair, but now it just gets all in my way, and it is hot as hell outside today. So that's why I decided to do something like this today instead of doing my normal middle part or side part. Just decided to do something completely different with a lace closure wig. So for this to be a closure, I am just absolutely so happy with this wig. I love the style. A little bit of a struggle at the beginning, but I made it work. Definitely if you do like a top knot bun, or you do like a ponytail, half up half down look basically with any type of wig, definitely go in with like a half a bundle and just make that top ponytail or bun just a little bit more fuller. To me, it just looks better. Now I don't have any of the details in front of me right now, so definitely make sure you check out that description bar. What I do know so far just by doing the video on this wig is definitely a 24-inch. This is definitely a closure wig. It did come with the knots already pre-bleached. Now it did not come with a pre-plucked hairline, so I did go in and pluck the hairline, and I did go in and bleach the knots just a little bit because the knots on the wig was a little still too dark for my liking, so I did go in and bleach the knots just a little bit more. Y'all, I am loving this wig. I will say the density on this wig is pretty good. It's not thin, but it's not like a super full wig either. I think it's pretty good actually for a 24-inch. So I don't have any complaints with the density on this wig. It's just really, really long. I would definitely say for this being a 5x5 lace closure wig, it is definitely a good wig. As far as this wig being a 5x5 lace closure wig, I definitely think it is a good wig to have in your collection, especially if you are not like a lace frontal girl, but you like the whole lace look, because it gives a very natural scalp look without having to do any type of manipulation to your own hair. I will say closures are definitely the way to go if you don't really care for like the over-the-top baby hairs or the super scalp look effect. I definitely feel like the lace closure wigs will save you a lot of money and a lot of time if you are, you know, one of those girls who just like a simple look. There's not a whole lot to say about a straight textured wig, but I will say the lace on this wig, but I will say the lace on this wig is really nice, and I love the simple fact that this wig is super duper flat, as I continue to say throughout this video. So anyways, make sure you check out that description bar below, because it will have all the details on this wig that I did not mention in this video because I don't have that information on me. So make sure you check out that description bar, and thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.